and fat inside. Do you find it interesting to see those cookies playing tag on the chain? Seeing them move gracefully on the conveyor belt, you feel like you are watching a fun race between cakes, each wanting to quickly reach the final destination where they will be packaged and sold, waiting to make guests happy. Looking at the chocolate packaging machine, you not only see the precision but also feel the meticulousness and sophistication in each movement. Every move of the machine is carefully programmed to ensure that each chocolate is wrapped perfectly. From placing the chocolate in the correct position on the conveyor belt to packaging and sealing the bag, every process is performed automatically and efficiently. Chocolate wrapping machine. Is an important part of the chocolate production process, helping to protect and preserve the product in the best way. Looking at this machine, we can feel the professionalism and efficiency in packaging products. Every step of the machine's operations is performed with precision and flexibility, from converting and wrapping the chocolate to the final sealing and packaging. Cutting cheese becomes easier thanks to the support of modern cheese cutting equipment. With sharp blades and advanced technology, cheese cutting devices help you easily and flexibly adjust the thickness of each slice of cheese. You no longer have to worry about uneven or difficult cheese cutting and can rely on the machine's performance and precision. With the help of cheese cutting devices, you can quickly and easily prepare dishes with cheese without having to worry about cheese cutting becoming time-consuming and complicated. The richness and nutrition of yogurt has made it favorite choice in the daily meals of many people. With its gentle, cool, sour taste and natural aroma, yogurt is not only an important source of calcium for bone health, but also an indispensable part of a healthy diet. The versatility of yogurt is endless, from enjoying it on its own to combining it with fresh fruits, seeds, and honey to create creative and nutritious dishes. Whether used alone on its own or combined with other ingredients, the freshness and nourishment of yogurt always makes any meal more special and appealing. The glass cutting skills of this worker is on par with any modern machinery. Would you like to try a cheese-made scarf? This renovation process is so flawless that there's nothing to complain about. One of the best roofing methods available is using liquid asphalt. No matter how hard you try, you can't draw a long line more perfect than he does. If it takes around 4,000 hours to master this job, this craftsman only needs half that time. Under the skillful hands, even intricate patterns are effortlessly crafted. Wow! See harvesting fire for the winter? Not inferior to any dance performance, this teamwork process keeps me captivated. Ring tread is the complete cold retreading system that guarantees a perfect result. The precision of the cuts that this machine provides is undeniable. To completely eliminate any excess wool, a sharp tool is needed. Like an archaeologist, this lathe machine has discovered the most exquisite imprint within this wooden block. This packaging system ensures that every cabbage is completely wrapped before reaching the consumers. Unlike conventional mowers, this robot is a specialized device designed for sloped terrains. So fantastic to watch taffy being wrapped by this machine. Without any human intervention, the process of painting metal sheets takes place perfectly. Surely, anyone would love to own a knitting machine to unleash their creativity. The PVC coil is securely fixed thanks to this smooth process.